Hello children, welcome for today's biology class. So today we are going to continue the chapter tissues. The topic going to be covered is meristematic tissues. First we are going to study regarding classification of plant tissues. Then later, so mainly we are going to study upon meristematic tissues. Okay, now let us go inside the chapter. So first let us study regarding classification of plant tissues. The plant tissues are of two main types. They are meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. The meristematic tissues are of three types. They are apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristem. Meristematic tissue are of three types. Then permanent tissue, they are of two types. They are simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. And the simple permanent tissue, it can be classified once again into three types, that is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. And this complex permanent tissue, it is classified into two types, that is xylem and phloem. So when you observe, first the plant tissues are divided into two main types, that is meristematic tissue, that is the growing tissue, and later the meristematic tissues are converted into permanent tissue. Okay, so now let us see the classification in a flow diagram. It will be more clear for you. So the plant tissues are classified into meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissues are growing tissues, and later the meristematic tissues are converted into permanent tissue. So here meristematic tissues are of three types, that is apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. And the permanent tissue, they are of two types, that is simple permanent and complex permanent. So simple permanent is again classified into three types, that is parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. And complex permanent tissue divided into two types, that is xylem and phloem. So in this chapter mainly we are going to study each and everything detailedly, then you will understand all. So you practice this flow diagram, children. So it will help you for understanding the classification of plant tissues. So first let us study regarding meristematic tissue. So what is a meristematic tissue? This is the growing tissue. It is found in the growing regions of the plant. Maybe the tip of the root or the tip of the shoot or branches, anywhere, wherever it is growing region, it is present. It divides continuously and it helps in the growth of the plant. Okay, that's why these all are growing tissues. So it can be classified into three types, that is apical meristem, lateral meristem and intercalary meristem. Apical meristem, it is present in the tip of the stems or roots. Okay, so here in the stem it has been shown apical meristem. Then lateral meristem. So here the lateral meristem you can see towards the side. Can you see here? So here also lateral meristem. And the lateral meristem, it increases the girth of the plant, that is stem, roots. You see when the mango plant or any plant, no, so big trees plant, it will be very small and delicate. And later, and that thin stem, it grows into thick bark. So how does it grow? By means of the lateral meristem only. It is helpful for the thickening of the stem and increase the girth of the stem and roots and all. Then next is intercalary meristem. It is present in the base of the leaves, okay, and no internodes also, and it is helpful in the growth of these parts. Mainly for this portion, for growth it is useful. Like that it can be asked in 3 more questions, children. You have to remember three meristematic tissues, that is apical meristem, lateral meristem and intercalary meristem. And you can practice the diagram also. Either you can practice this one or the diagram given in your book also you can practice in your notebook. Okay, these three types of meristematic tissues. It is very important for 3 more questions. Okay, so this is the meristem. It has been shown. How does it look like in a slide? When you are looking under microscope, how does it look like? The previous one, it was this diagram. Okay, so here it is the mainly the diagram. How does it look like under a microscopic slide? If you are observing under microscope, how does it look like? It has been shown here. Can you see the dividing cells? And this is shoot tip and this is root tip. Shoot tip and root tip. This is showing the meristematic tissues. Okay, so today we are concluding up to this, children. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.